Senior Congress leader Ghulam Nabi Azad has heaped praise on Prime Minister Modi again. He said that people must learn from Narendra Modi, who despite becoming the Prime Minister hasn't forgotten his roots, and that he proudly calls himself a chaiwala. Ghulam Nabi Azad added that though he has serious political differences with the Prime Minister, Narendra Modi is a very grounded person. Remember that Ghulam Nabi Azad has in fact just yesterday held a massive rally with several other leaders who are known to be, who have been identified so far at least as dissenters of the Congress leadership. Now Ghulam Nabi Azad making comment where he's praised Prime Minister Narendra Modi, saying that he remains grounded despite being the Prime Minister.
तो बहुत सारी लीडरों की बहुत अच्छी अच्छी बातें अच्छी लगती हैं। अब जैसे मैं खुद गाँव का तो मुझे बड़ा फख्र होता है कि बड़े लीडर हैं। हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर भी वो कहते हैं मैं गांव से मैं था, कुछ भी नहीं था, बर्तन मांजता था, चाय मांजता। सियासी तौर हम उससे उनके खिलाफ हैं, लेकिन कम से कम जो अपनी जो असलियत है उसको नहीं छुपा। और जो वही आपने अपनी असलियत छुपाई तो आप एक मसनवी दुनिया में रहते हैं, एक आरजी दुनिया में रहते हैं। आदमी को फख्र होना चाहिए।
Sunilji Bhatt is joining us with more details on this. Sunilji, this particular comment is going to raise a lot of eyebrows because you had Ghulam Nabi Azad. Of course, we saw that entire interaction in Parliament during his farewell in Rajya Sabha. Then you had the rally yesterday where all these senior leaders came together, and now this comment where he's praised Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It will lead to a lot of speculation of whether Ghulam Nabi Azad is hinting towards changing his political direction.
Well, Akshita, as far as Ghulam Nabi Azad is concerned, he has praised Prime Minister recently in Parliament also, and now, you know, at a function of a Gujar community here in Jammu, he said that Prime Minister hasn't forgotten his roots. He proudly calls himself a chaiwala. And yesterday, you know, in a major show of strength, the G23 faction leaders of the Congress party, you know, addressed a massive rally here in Jammu. And today again, Ghulam Nabi Azad has praised Prime Minister. So basically, you know, Akshita, Ghulam Nabi Azad himself has made it clear so many times that he is not going to join the BJP. But by doing so, but by praising Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he is sending out a very strong message to Sonia and Rahul Gandhi that if the Congress party doesn't change its tactics, the Congress party doesn't, you know, brings positive changes in the party, then, you know, it should not take the loyalty of its senior leaders for granted.
Yes.
Because yesterday also, one leader after another, from the likes of Anand Sharma to Kapil Sibal, you know, they used very strong words against the party high command.
And, you know, after that rally, barely 24 hours after, you have this statement. Sunilji, thank you for those details. Listen into exactly what Ghulam Nabi Azad said.
बहुत सारी लीडरों की बहुत अच्छी अच्छी बातें अच्छी लगती हैं। अब जैसे मैं खुद गाँव का तो मुझे बड़ा फख्र होता है कि बड़े लीडर हैं। हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर भी वो कहते हैं मैं गांव से मैं था, कुछ भी नहीं था, बर्तन मांजता था, चाय मांजता। सियासी तौर हम उससे उनके खिलाफ हैं, लेकिन कम से कम जो अपनी जो असलियत है उसको नहीं छुपा। और जो वही आपने अपनी असलियत छुपाई तो आप एक मसनवी दुनिया में रहते हैं, एक आरजी दुनिया में रहते हैं। आदमी को फख्र होना चाहिए।
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.